Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Context. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest struggles English learners face: why it's so hard to speak like a native, and how to finally stop translating in your head. If you've ever felt slow, stuck, or frustrated because your brain always thinks in your language first, don't worry. You're not alone, and this video will show you how to train your mind to start thinking in English directly. Before we jump in, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy this video, please share it with your friends, hit that like button, and if you're not already, subscribe to our channel. These small actions help us a lot, and they let us keep making more helpful English lessons for you. All right, are you ready? Let's dive into today's slow English conversation between Haley, a learner, and Nathan, a native speaker, all about learning to think in English.
Hi, can I ask you something?
Of course, what's on your mind?
I study English every day, but speaking is still very hard.
Hard in what way?
I feel slow. I want to answer fast like a native.
Ah, I see. Do you translate in your head?
Yes. First, I think in my language. Then I try to change it into English.
That's very common. Almost every learner does that at first.
But it makes me nervous. By the time I find the words, the conversation has already moved on.
Exactly. That's why it feels slow.
So, how do I stop translating?
You need to train your brain to think in English.
Think in English? That sounds impossible.
Not impossible. It just takes practice.
But how? My mind always goes back to my language.
Let's start small. Look around. What do you see?
I see a chair.
Great. Now, don't think of the word in your language. Just think chair.
Chair, okay.
What else do you see?
A table.
Perfect. Just think table.
So, I connect the object directly with the English word?
Exactly. No middle step, no translation.
That feels different.
Yes, and if you do this every day, your brain will get faster.
Okay, but what about sentences?
Start with very simple ones. For example, how do you feel right now?
I feel a little tired.
Good. Now say it in English. I am tired.
I am tired.
See? You connect your feeling directly with the English words.
So, don't ask myself, how do I say this in my language? Just feel it and say it.
That's right.
Interesting. Can we try another one?
Sure. Are you thirsty?
Yes, a little.
Then say, I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
Perfect. That's how you build the habit.
It feels simple but not easy.
True, simple ideas can still take time.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are good. They show you what to improve.
Really? I always feel bad when I make them.
Don't feel bad. Think of mistakes as your teachers.
My teachers?
Yes, every mistake is a small lesson.
That's a nicer way to see it.
Exactly. Be kind to yourself.
But how do I practice this every day?
You can narrate your life in English.
Narrate?
Yes, when you drink water, think, I drink water. When you open the door, think, I open the door.
Like a little story in my head?
Exactly. A story in English.
That sounds fun.
It is, and it builds direct connections.
Okay, but sometimes I don't know the English word.
Then look it up. Use a dictionary with pictures.
Pictures?
Yes, pictures help your brain connect faster.
Like flashcards?
Exactly. One side with a picture, the other side with the English word.
That makes sense.
And you can also watch simple shows or cartoons in English.
Cartoons? Aren't those for kids?
They are great for learning because the language is simple and the pictures show what's happening.
So my brain learns naturally?
Yes, you don't have time to translate, you just understand.
I never thought of that.
Try watching for just 10 minutes a day.
Okay, I can do that.
The key is patience.
Patience?
Yes, thinking in English is a new habit. It takes time to grow.
Like a tree?
Exactly. At first, it's a small seed, but with daily practice, it grows stronger.
And one day it feels natural?
Yes, one day you'll realize you didn't translate, you just spoke.
Wow, that's my dream.
It will happen. Just keep practicing.
Can I practice with people too?
Of course, find a partner or join an English group.
But I'm shy.
Start small. Just say hello or ask, how are you?
That's easy.
Yes, then add more. Ask, what are you doing today?
Simple steps.
Exactly. Small steps become big progress.
Sometimes I forget words in the middle of a conversation.
That's normal. Use simple words instead.
Simple words?
Yes, if you forget restaurant, just say place to eat.
Oh, that's clever.
Communication is more important than perfect vocabulary.
So I don't need to be perfect?
No, progress, not perfection.
Progress, not perfection.
Good. Say it again.
Progress, not perfection.
Excellent. That's the spirit.
But what about grammar? Should I always worry about it?
Grammar is useful, but don't let it stop you from speaking.
Sometimes I pause because I'm not sure about the tense.
Just keep going. People will still understand.
Even if it's wrong?
Yes, fluency grows from practice, not from waiting for perfect grammar.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Confidence is more important than accuracy at the start.
But natives speak so fast I can't follow them.
Don't try to catch every word. Focus on the main idea.
The main idea?
Yes, for example, if I say, yesterday I went to the park, saw my friend, and we ate ice cream. What's the main idea?
You went to the park with your friend.
Exactly. You don't need every detail to understand.
That makes listening easier.
Yes, and the more you listen, the more you catch.
So listening helps speaking?
Absolutely. The more you hear natural English, the more natural you sound.
Should I copy how natives talk?
Yes, that's called shadowing.
Shadowing?
You repeat after a native speaker, almost like an echo.
Oh, like when kids copy their parents?
Exactly. That's how children learn language.
Interesting. I'll try that.
Start with short sentences. For example, I am happy.
I am happy.
Good. Again. I am happy.
I am happy.
Nice. Now faster.
I am happy.
Great job. See, you're training your mouth and brain.
It feels good.
Yes, and over time it feels natural.
Can I do this with songs too?
Absolutely. Songs are great for rhythm and pronunciation.
I like English pop songs.
Perfect. Sing along, even if it's not perfect.
That sounds fun.
Fun is important. If you enjoy it, you'll keep doing it.
True, sometimes studying feels boring.
That's why you mix study with fun activities, songs, shows, games.
Games?
Yes, word games, memory games, even mobile apps.
I use some apps already.
Great. Use them daily, even for just 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's short.
Short but powerful. Small steps every day are better than one big step once a week.
Like exercising a muscle.
Exactly. Your brain is a muscle for language.
I like that image.
Then use it. Say to yourself, I train my English muscle today.
I train my English muscle today.
Good. That's motivation.
Sometimes I get tired and want to quit.
That's normal. Take a short break, then come back.
So it's okay to rest?
Yes, rest helps your brain grow stronger.
That's good to know.
Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race.
A journey, not a race.
Exactly.
But how do I know if I'm improving?
Record yourself speaking once a month.
Record myself?
Yes, later listen again. You'll hear the progress.
That sounds scary.
It feels strange at first, but it's very effective.
Okay, I'll try.
Good. Also, write a short diary in English.
A diary?
Yes, just a few sentences a day. Today, I went to work. I ate rice. I watched TV.
That's easy.
Easy, but powerful. It builds your English thinking habit.
I understand.
Over time, these little habits make a big difference.
I believe that now.
Good. Belief keeps you going.
Thank you for encouraging me.
You're welcome. You're doing better than you think.
Really?
Yes, you're speaking with me right now in English. That's progress.
Oh, you're right.
See, you should be proud of yourself.
I am proud.
Excellent. Keep that positive energy.
I will.
Remember, one word, one sentence, one step at a time.
One step at a time.
Yes, and don't give up.
I won't.
Good. Say it again. I won't give up.
I won't give up.
Strong and clear. Perfect.
Thank you for all your advice today.
My pleasure. Keep practicing. You're on the right path.
I'll keep going. Progress, not perfection.
Exactly. That's the key to thinking and speaking in English.
And that's the end of our conversation. I hope you found these tips useful and that you're feeling more confident about how to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English. Remember, small steps every day add up to big progress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends who are also learning English. It really helps our channel grow and reach more learners like you. Now we'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what is one English word or sentence you're going to practice thinking in today? Thanks so much for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.